Mark, if people do not know that you're a guy who loves a fire, they will after this. Look at you, huh?
All right.
You brought out all the toys.
I sure did. So what I wanted to show you today, Kevin, was just the tools of the fireplace.
This is a tool?
And this is a tool. We're going to start with safety.
Okay.
And obviously the extinguisher. Anything goes wrong, this is the piece to use.
Don't play with fire.
Don't play with fire, folks.
All right. What else have you got in the safety category?
So safety-wise, if you needed to move any logs, you're certainly not going to stick your hand into the fire and grab anything. But as you can see, these tongs, they separate, and
you can actually get a grip. You can
get
move
a
it
grip
around.
and move it around.
Control if you want.
Yep.
Boom. Just
Boom.
like that. Okay. Safety.
All right. Next
this
up,
one?
the screen. So sparks are flying, not to use a cliche, but usually in front of the fireplace is masonry, but beyond that is usually a wood floor, so you want to keep the sparks at bay, which is exactly what the screen does.
So nowadays, a lot have got doors, but open fireplaces, traditional, they do something like this.
Oh yeah, this comes in many shapes and forms.
And that's a beauty, huh?
Yep.
Is that from
That's
the
an
McCullough
antique.
house?
It
Oh,
sure
good
is.
for you.
Sure is.
All right, I'm just
Don't
going to
wanna
set
give
that
away any
aside right
secrets.
now.
Yep.
So we've got some long matches. Do they
Long
go?
matches. Again, think of a short match, and here you are, and you're very close to the fire. This will give you a little elbow room, as they say.
Looks darn good
Yep.
by the side of the fireplace.
Sure
as well.
does. Yes.
All right, let's talk about function.
Okay.
What's here for helping us with
Most important thing about the function is going to be this grate. This grate elevates the logs, which obviously elevate the fire. It provides us a space for air, and that's what we need to keep a good fire going and to start it as well. So
Okay. And they're flanked by these guys right here.
these are what we call add irons. They do the same thing as this grate does, but they're more decorative, as you can see.
And when it comes to the add irons, are you using them instead of the grate or in conjunction with the grate?
So I'll actually use them in conjunction only because I like them. I like the decorative, but push comes to shove, the grate is really all you need.
Beautiful.
Yep.
All right. You've got a poker on your stand right
do.
there.
I
you
do.
like to fuss with that and move your fire around?
That's exactly what it's for. So anytime I need to move a log or jimmy a log around,
Get it
this
in
is
there.
what I use, yeah.
Okay. What else we got on the rack right there? I see a shovel and a broom.
Simple cleanup tools, Kevin. Broom, again, comes in many shapes and forms. The key component of this shovel is just that edge right there. You want it to look like a dustpan and work like a dustpan, just like that. So
And clean it up when everything's cooled down.
that's right.
Not right away.
Exactly.
You went up those hot embers. All right. This is awesome. Man, these fires must be roaring in your house.
Well, the weather's coming.
All right. Thank you, Mark.
You got it, Kevin.
I'll be over.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.